Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. So we are on the next round of the Greenery Blanket. So the last round I showed you was these treble V stitches. So that was treble, chain one, treble, all in one stitch. And then we did the same V all the way around. So we had the green round, we fastened off, and now I want to show you how to join the new round. So the new round is actually going to be this aqua teal blue color, but I want to show you how to join it. So I've put a slip knot on my hook, and I'm going to isolate or find any V on this round. And underneath the chain 5 loop and in the chain 1 space of that V, I am going to place a single crochet through all of that, okay? So one big old single crochet. Now we have the second leg of the V we just made plus the first leg of the next V, and we're going to place a single crochet 2 together or a single crochet decrease in using those 2 stitches. So I'm going to insert my hook, pull up a loop, insert my hook, pull up a loop, then yarn through and pull through all the loops on the hook. Now that reduces those 2 trebles to now 1 stitch. So then we will again pull up the chain 5 loop and single crochet in the chain 1 space. And then the next 2 stitches are the last leg and the first leg of the V's. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook, and we have decreased. Now we're going to continue this all the way around, but I wanted to show you how we join and start, and it gives you a sense of what color, how this looks with the peachy color, which I didn't really love, but I wanted to show you how to join without ripping out the teal. So I'm going to rip this back and finish up the round with the teal so that you can see how we finish the round. Put that away so Theo doesn't get it. Okay, so if you are on target with this, you'll know that we are doing well with our gauge. When you fold your circle in half, okay, oh, here comes Theo. Here he comes, my little Thee monster. Okay, when you flip your circle up in like a taco, if this straight edge along the bottom is straight and not too like fortune cookie, you know, like if it doesn't go too much below the horizon here, you're good. If it starts to hang over these edges, it means there's too many stitches. And we were starting to do that with the green. And so by decreasing stitches on this next round, you can see that it's gonna lay nice and flat and we'll be ready to go for the next round. So let's finish this one. And then you can vote on what color you think should happen next after this turquoise blue. So we're just placing a single crochet through the chain 5 loop and through the chain 1 space, and then doing a single crochet decrease or a single crochet 2 together, however you want to say it, both the same thing, through the next 2 stitches. So at the end of one V and the start of the next V, and then single crochet in the chain 1 space. So let me bring this up closer to you so that you can see. Also, let's see here. I hope you're having a valuable and relaxing and valuable use of your time. I feel like I'm sort of out of practice. Life has been busy and that's okay. So I hope you all are healthy and well and doing fine and using your oh, see, here's a mistake. So on the green round, I accidentally put a chain 1 in between the 2 V's. Okay, so I am going to ignore that. I'm not going to rip it out, but I will place a single crochet 2 together and I'll just pretend that chain 1 is not even there. And then I will join with a slip stitch in the beginning in the top of the first single crochet. And so that we fasten off and we will have 1 single crochet in every chain 5 loop. See, right there. And then a decrease right there between loops. So that we will do that all the way around. So if you want to do the math, I did not do the math, but if you want to do the math, count the number of chain 5 loops you had. We know we put 1 single crochet there, and then there's a decrease next to it. So there's 2 stitches for every 1 chain 5 loop. If you are taking notes and making sure that you can follow along, I have not written down this pattern. I'm just winging it. And so please vote with comments and likes and shares of this video so that I know that you're on board with us, and you can tell me what color you think needs to come next after this lovely turquoise blue. So let the videos play, my friends. I really appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Ellen Gormley. I hope that you spent the last few minutes with a relaxing and valuable use of your crochet time. If you've not seen the last video, click up here if you've got a few more minutes. If you have seen it, here's another one I think you might really like. But everybody, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. See you next time.